Alright. What is up, all my goons? And we're gonna be reviewing the little Christmas gadgets. Let me just get the first D tier. The cold. It's like a pile of poop. Here, right there. Get out. Get out. Smelly raccoon, get out. And this little bell. MTT, what do you rate the bell? What do you want me to put it in?
Probably more than
Poopy
3.
More than 3?
Hey,
So,
can jump up to red.
that'd be
Can I
like
jump up to orange?
right here.
Hey, I got to orange. Skippity.
Get out!
Poopy butt.
Tango,
Poopy
look.
butt.
Isn't this? Doesn't this give me
Alright,
so much
the
oil?
letter goes in like a B tier.
You died. You touched the spike.
B tier,
I
because you
said,
get to write silly
ooh.
stuff on there.
Ew.
And then, and then they got the present. Comes in the bundle. Still
Yo,
still
Tango,
package up
look.
stuff. So that goes in S tier. I love the
It's
package.
golden.
He died.
Captain!
He's gone.
Alright, my headset died. It should be dying in
All
like 2
right,
seconds.
so
1, 2, 3. I
And
saw
we got
you put
the pillow right here.
I saw you
Big
get out of
pillow.
your
So it's just
damn
a really
game.
big pillow. So it's probably like a C.
Yeah, that's
C
actually
tier right
not a
there.
gadget.
It's alright. Alright, just a little pillow. Really big pillow, that's it. But ooh hoo hoo. Got this one. This one right here is my favorite. Out of all of them, one of my favorite. Right
You
next
gotta
to the
put the
present.
snowflake like up in the up in S plus because
Ah,
it will make me famous.
that's true. That's true. We gotta make a new tier called the snowflake tier
There, look.
because of
he's
our
just
today's
standing.
sponsor. Hold on, wait. Where is
Look,
it?
He's just
Well, just
standing
pretend I have a snowflake in my hand, and today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is obviously Flake Up, that fun community world that you've probably been to, and I'm a staff in there. Ooh hoo hoo. Like, and my goofy friend MTT was kind enough to let me be a staff in this really good map. So you better join the community code Flake Up right now. If you can't, then doesn't matter. Join right now. Alright. Goodbye. Cut to the ending part.